Welcome back, gamers, to Pokemon unboxing. In the last video, I didn't get to finish up this pack because because I can only record for 10 minutes. So let's continue. So the next card in the pack was a Pokemon Go Zapdos. Perfect. Ooh, we got some Psychic Energy. Nice. Another Slowbro. And another Lunatone. And Chandelure. Next one. We have Pidove. Perfect. We have Lion Rattata. Ooh, looks like we have a Wimpod. That's nice. We have a Buddy Pikachu. Adorbs next. We have a Squirtle. Ooh, we have a Charizard. Nah, he's going. Oh my gosh. Dragonite V-Star. Nice. This is a Dragonite V-Star. And it's a dragon. Nice. Looks like we got some Metal Energy. Ooh, nice. We have Pupitar. Chandelure. Spark. All you Team Instincts out there, comment what team you are on Pokemon Go. Okay. Next pack of Pokemon. Jeez. Have Ibipom. We have Slowpoke. Ooh, an Onix. Charmander. Bidoof. Shiny Numo. It looks like we found a Gyarados. Oh, sick! We got a cool V-Star card. Slowbro. Team Valor. And Lunatone. Next. This family's crazy. My family's crazy. You have a Squirtle. Jeez. We have a Bidoof. Charmander. Ooh, we have a Melton. I recently got my first Melton. Ooh, we have Apom. Oh, sick, we got Solrock. Nice. We have Team Mystic. Fire Energy. Unfreezant. And speaking of Team Mystic, and Gyarados. Next pack of Pokemon Go cards. Nemo, a Lion Raticate, Tranquil, a Larval, Mewtwo, Nidotic, Slowpoke, now the Charizard, more energy, Gyarados, oh nice, we got Charmeleon, and Pupitar. Next pack. Apom, Bulbeat, Pidove, Onyx, Magikarp, we have this dude, oh nice, a Lionagator V, nice. Dark energy. Jeez. There's like a fly in here and it's annoying me. You have a Steelix. X2. And Slowbro. Pokemon Live card. Next. After this pack, I'm going to end the video. And this is part 2, guys. Part 2. And make sure to like and subscribe. I didn't say that in part 1, but I'm going to say it right now. Apom, Charmander. That Charmander just fell. But not the plushie that I have right here. The card, Eevee, Numela, a Lion Raticate, now the Blastoise. Ooh, Venusaur, nice. Why does Venusaur need to use Solid Beam? Is that like a fire move? We got Fire Energy. Pupitar, Chansley, Team Mystic. I have an entire collection of Pokemon Go. My Pokemon Go cards will be kept away from my normal ones because these are Pokemon Go. Pokemon Go. Oh, I forgot to just pause the video. This is going to be the last one. We got a Bidoof, an Onyx, Barbarrel, Meltan, Magikarp, T-Mystic, Blastoise, Psychic Energy, Chandelure, and Veezant, and T-Mystic again. Watch part 3, which I'm gonna post.